Unveiling the Mystery. What is a clone bank? Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for your English language adventures. Today, we have a fascinating topic that blends the marvels of science with the intricacies of English: the term clone bank. If you're curious about this high-tech sounding phrase, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together and add one more piece to your ever-growing English vocabulary puzzle. First things first, let's break down the term into two parts: clone and bank. A clone is an exact genetic copy of a living organism. This can be a plant, an animal, or any organism you can think of. Now, the word bank, in our context, does not refer to a place where you save money, but rather a store or collection. When fused into the phrase clone bank, we're talking about a repository or a collection of genetic copies. Think of it as a library, but instead of books, it's filled with genetic material that can be used for research, preservation, or even to replicate organisms. Clone banks are not just cool science fiction material, they have significant real-world applications. For example, in agriculture, clone banks can preserve the genetic material of particularly resilient or nutritious crops. In medicine, they might store cells that could be used to regenerate tissues or study diseases. Understanding this term is not only useful for science enthusiasts but also for those interested in ethical discussions, as clone banks pose interesting questions about biodiversity, conservation, and the future of genetic engineering. Let's put our term into some sentences to see how it's used in real-life contexts. The botanist stored the rare plant seeds in the clone bank for future research. Scientists accessed the clone bank to find a genetic match for the endangered species. The debate on the ethical implications of clone banks continues among the scientific community. In these examples, clone bank is used as a noun. It can be both the subject of the sentence, what the sentence is about, or the object, what is being affected or used. And there you have it, friends. Now, when someone mentions a clone bank, you'll not only understand what they're talking about but also appreciate the significance of this concept in modern science and ethics. We hope this video has illuminated yet another fascinating aspect of the English language for you. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.